Hi everyone, Kevin with EA Home Design. We are at another project that we just finished in a condo, a nice condo. By the way, the whole setup, the layout hasn't changed that much in this kitchen, but we have kind of reorganized it and made it more functional. I'm gonna go through the cabinets and through the parts and pieces of this kitchen and show you what we did. First of all, as you see, these are all very flat cabinets, flat doors, slab doors they call it, modern, very modern. And the whole pantry comes out. You see the whole thing that you have access from both sides, and it makes reaching for stuff easier on this. Here we have deep drawers, very deep drawers, as we have always said, for pots and pans or dishes. You can use it for different purposes. 2 drawers on the whole height of the cabinet in the base. Here we have uplifts that gives you easy access to the whole cabinet. You'll find this more on modern cabinets, which these are very modern, of course. A nice meal cooktop, and we have the hood, another uplift as you see. 3 drawers, built-in refrigerator, and we have a microwave oven combo and an oven, only oven here. And of course you have a lot of storage up there in the cabinet above them, which we considered that. Going back to the island here, this island was much smaller, but we made the island bigger and wider and gave some seating on the other side, which you can see. We have the drawers, we have the trash can. This trash can is a little bit different than other ones you might have seen. I want to see if we can show it in the shot for you. As you pull them open, the top opens by itself, and you push it in, it kind of seals it up. It's a little bit smaller, but it's a little bit more secure as far as sealing the top, the trash can for you. Deep sink, nice faucet. The garbage disposal has an in-counter button. Here you have no other options. It's much easier. It's actually pneumatic. This has it's not dangerous as far as getting electrocuted. Dishwasher, another set of the drawer. Now, we go back to this section, which we also added to this kitchen. Here was just a plain wall. There was nothing here before, and we added kind of a mini bar here with nice cabinet with a metal door frame and glass, clear glass. Floating shelves with lighting underneath. As you can see, we designed this that you can slide in a little beverage center or wine cooler in the middle, in a center, which it was an added feature to this corner and make it more functional, because this was nothing in here. And for that, of course, we had to reorganize and move the ceiling tray a little bit further back, which we moved it that we can push the table little back, that there is a little bit room and a space for everything. On this island also, we have a little cabinet on the back here. Half of it is an additional cabinet on the back, and the other half is all for seating with an overhang. The last thing we did here was the flooring. This flooring, it's a nice engineered white plank oak. It's European oak. Is very nice. It gives a very nice touch to this setup and the cabinetry and the design. And I think the outcome is fabulous. Let us know if you have any comment or any questions. We'll be more than happy to help you, even if you need us for design. Thank you for watching, and all have a great day.